Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best shoe whitening cleaner is probably one of the most essential items for any sneakerhead or fashion-conscious individual looking to maintain the pristine appearance of their footwear, as it directly tackles the inevitable scuffs, dirt, and yellowing that plague white shoes, ensuring they always look fresh out of the box and ready to make a statement. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This powerful cleaner works wonders on fabric, leather, and even delicate suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking their best. Say goodbye to scuffs and stains on your white sneakers. Our formula effectively lifts dirt, restoring their original brightness. The kit includes a specially formulated cleaner and a brush, providing everything you need for a thorough clean. It's your all-in-one solution. Achieve professional results with minimal effort. Simply apply, scrub, and wipe away the dirt for a fresh, clean look. Protect your footwear investment and keep them looking new for longer. This kit ensures your shoes remain a stylish part of your wardrobe. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. It's designed to work on a variety of materials, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a single product to tackle different shoe types and materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The cleaner effectively removes dirt and scuffs, restoring the original white color of the shoes. It comes with a brush applicator that makes it easy to target specific areas and scrub away stains. The formula is gentle on most shoe materials, including leather and canvas, without causing damage. Number 4. KIWI Shoe Whitener 4 Fluid Ounces. Bring your favorite footwear back to life. This whitener is perfect for making older shoes look brand new again. Our advanced formula is designed to cover evenly. You won't have to worry about streaks or chalky residue. It works great on leather, vinyl, canvas, and nylon. Get a consistent clean every time. The included sponge applicator makes it simple to use. Just apply and watch the magic happen. Specifically formulated to refresh white leather shoes. Give them the bright, clean look they deserve. Rediscover the joy of wearing your favorite shoes. This whitener helps them look their best. What we like. Experience a like-new look with its advanced polymer and whitening agent. This formula ensures an even application without any streaks or chalky residue. If you primarily deal with white leather shoes and want a smooth, clean finish, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's formulated with an advanced polymer and whitening agent specifically designed to rejuvenate older sports shoes. The results were remarkable. Not only did the whitener effectively cover up scuffs and stains, but it also managed to bring back that fresh out-of-the-box look. It goes on smoothly and evenly, with no streaks or chalky residue left behind. The application process is incredibly easy. Simply apply a small amount of the whitener to a clean cloth or sponge, and then gently rub it onto the surface of the shoe. The whitener dries quickly, so you can see the results almost instantly. After a quick application with the sponge tip applicator, they looked brand new again. The foam goes on smoothly, dries fast, and doesn't leave any streaks or chalky residue. It's like giving your shoes a mini makeover in minutes. Number 3. Angelus Sole Bright 3.9 Ounces. Tired of yellowed soles ruining your favorite sneakers? This cleaner effectively removes oxidation from rubber soles. It brings back their original icy or clear look, perfect for sneaker restoration. This versatile formula isn't just for shoe soles. It's designed to restore almost any yellowed or oxidized rubber material. Get your rubber items looking like new again. Achieve professional-grade restoration with a simple brush-on application. You don't need expensive services to get amazing results. Keep your shoes looking their best with ease. Join collectors, sneakerheads, and restorers who trust this product. It's the go-to solution for keeping kicks looking fresh and clean. Maintain the pristine condition of your collection. Made in the USA with premium ingredients, this formula ensures effective sole restoration. It's designed for long-lasting results without damaging your shoes. Trust in quality for your footwear. What we like. Effectively combat oxidation and bring back the original icy look to your rubber soles. It's versatile enough for most rubber surfaces, not just shoes. If you're a sneaker collector or restorer aiming to revive yellowed midsoles, this is your go-to solution. What people say. It works and I love it. You may need to do it a few times, which takes you about a good 15 minutes, and put it under the sun for 2 hours, but it's worth it. Easy to use. No smell. No leftover greasy feel or residue. Works in white soles that have yellowed. Does not run, stock to surface in the right amount. Restoration. It doesn't just clean, it actually reverses the yellowing. Ease of use. Apply, wrap, and let the sun or UV light do the work. Number 2. One-stop shoe cleaner and whitener kit. Are your favorite sneakers looking a little worse for wear? Don't let dirt and scuffs ruin your style. Get them looking fresh and new again with our powerful cleaning solution. Our advanced formula works hard so you don't have to. It effectively lifts away dirt, grime, and stains, restoring the original brilliance of your footwear. Not only does it clean, but it also whitens. Say goodbye to yellowing and dullness. Achieve a crisp, bright white finish that makes your shoes stand out. This kit has everything you need for a complete shoe makeover. It's your one-stop solution for all your footwear cleaning and whitening needs. Give your beloved sneakers a new lease on life. Keep them looking their best, no matter the occasion. Step out with confidence every time. What we like. This is your one-stop shop for shoe care, providing everything you need in a single package. It's suitable for all types of shoes, offering a convenient way to keep them looking their best. If you appreciate simplicity and a complete solution for all your footwear, consider this kit. What people say. This kit helped me get her cheer shoes so clean that the coaches said they look brand new and asked me how I did it. They whitened them so well. I love that it came with everything I needed. The scrub brush, cleaner, polish, tape and a towel. The shoe cleaner does quite well with cleaning. The taped shoe used only the white polish, and the shoe on the right used only the shoe cleaner. The shoe cleaner does quite well with cleaning. I used these products on my toddler shoes, and they were quite dirty. It does take energy to clean and scrub, but if you're willing to put in the time to keep your sneakers clean, this cleaner and polisher do the job. Easy to applicate and works very well against grass, sand, and dirt. Did a week of walking in the beach in my white shoes and the stains came off easily. Number 1. Tarrago Super White Shoe Whitener 75 ml. Introducing Tarrago Super White, the ultimate solution for keeping your sneakers looking pristine. This powerful whitener instantly cleans and renews your footwear. With its convenient applicator tip, achieving a fresh look is simple. It effectively removes dirt and scuffs, restoring the original brightness of your shoes. Designed for all your leather shoes and sneakers, this cleaner is a must-have. It provides a deep clean without damaging the material. Don't let scuffs and stains dull your favorite pairs. Our formula works quickly to bring back that brilliant white finish you love. Each 75 ml bottle offers ample product to maintain multiple pairs of shoes. Keep them looking box fresh with every use. Trust Tarrago for all your shoe care needs. Our super white whitener is a testament to our commitment to quality and innovation. What we like. Achieve an instant white refresh with its convenient applicator tip. This product is specifically designed for renewing leather surfaces. If you have leather shoes that need a quick touch-up and a bright white boost, this is the perfect product for you. What people say. It got rid of dark pink ink stains on my white canvas shoes with ease. Now they look brand new. This product proved to be a bright clean white and the best of the 3 purchased. I even used this on an old faded gum bottom trim to change to white. Perfect outcome. Worked on the cloth mesh as well as the rubber soles, impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.